Most people think that making money online requires talent, experience, or special skills. Coding, design, marketing, or at least years of learning. But what if I told you there are websites that claim you can earn money with literally no skills at all? No writing, no designing, no coding, no talking to clients, just clicking, uploading, and waiting. So I decided to test one of these so-called no-skills websites myself. No shortcuts, no exaggeration, no fake screenshots. I used it exactly like a beginner would, with zero background knowledge, and today I'm going to show you what really happened, how I used it step by step, and whether it is actually worth your time or just another internet fantasy. First, let's be honest about what no skills really means. It does not mean no effort. It does not mean instant money. It means the platform does not require technical abilities like programming or design. The website I tested is based on a very simple model. You use already existing tools and content, and the platform connects you with demand. In my case, this website allowed me to create a simple micro website without coding. I only needed to choose a template, fill in basic text, and connect it to an offer that already existed. The idea is that instead of creating a product, you redirect traffic to something that already sells and get paid a commission when someone takes action. So the first step was registration, no complicated verification, just email and password. After logging in, the dashboard showed me a list of ready-made website templates. These were extremely basic, landing pages about finance, health, and online tools. I picked one related to online tools because it was the easiest to explain and the least risky topic. Then the system asked me to customize it. Customizing did not mean designing, it meant changing the headline, writing a short description, and selecting which offer I wanted to promote. I chose a free tool offer because people are more likely to click something free than something that costs money. Now comes the most important part that nobody explains properly: traffic. A website without visitors is like a shop in the desert. This no-skills website does not magically bring people. You still need traffic. The method they recommend is using short videos and social media platforms to push people to your link. So I created a short video using AI visuals and a simple script. The video was not fancy. It just said something like, "This free tool can save you hours every day," and then I placed my website link in the description. I uploaded it to a short video platform and waited. On the first day, nothing happened, 0 clicks. On the second day, I got a few visits. On the third day, I finally saw my first action. Someone clicked the offer link from my website. But here is the truth nobody likes to say: clicking is not earning. The platform only pays when the user completes the action, such as signing up or downloading something. And that part depends entirely on how convincing your page and your traffic are. My page was simple, so the conversion rate was low. Out of about 50 visitors, only one person completed the action. So, what was the result? Technically, the system worked. I did not use any professional skills. I did not code. I did not design. I did not talk to anyone, but it was slow, very slow. This is not a system where you upload something and money appears. It is more like planting seeds. You have to send traffic, test different topics, and adjust your page text so it sounds natural and useful instead of robotic. The real hidden skill here is understanding people. Even if the website says no skills, you still need to learn how to write simple, clear sentences that explain value. You need to understand what kind of problem your visitor has and why your page should matter to them. When I changed my headline from best online tool to free tool that saves you 3 hours a day, my click rate improved. This shows that even in no-skills systems, psychology matters more than technology. So, is it a scam? No. Is it easy money? Also no. It is more like a beginner training ground. You learn how traffic works, how links work, and how offers work without needing advanced abilities. But if you expect fast cash, you will be disappointed. The real value is learning the process, choose a topic, connect an offer, build a simple page, send traffic, and measure what happens. That loop is the foundation of almost all online business models. If you want to try this yourself, the most important advice is to focus on one topic only. Do not jump between finance today and gaming tomorrow. Pick something simple like tools, productivity, or free resources. Then build one page and test it with short videos or posts. Do not expect profit in the first day. Expect data. Every view, every click teaches you something. This is how you turn a no-skills website into a learning machine instead of a disappointment machine. In the end, my honest result is this: the website itself did exactly what it promised. It let me build something without skills, but it did not remove effort. It did not remove thinking. It did not remove patience. If you treat it like a magic button, you will fail. If you treat it like a simple tool and improve one small thing every day, it can become a real stepping stone into online income. Not because it prints money, but because it teaches you how money on the internet actually flows. And that is the truth nobody likes to sell you. There is no skill-free money. There is only low-skill systems that slowly turn into high understanding if you stay long enough to learn them.